Hey, hi, how are you? It's me. We're doing this. Palette A to Z. This is the Smashbox Cover Shot palette in Ablaze. So, the way I did this, the way I like alphabetized my palettes is I have like 5, maybe 6 of these Cover Shot palettes. So instead of putting them all as Cover Shot and then whatever they're called, I put them in as what they're called. So this is the Ablaze Cover Shot palette, so this is why it's come next in this series. It's Ablaze and not necessarily Cover Shot. Otherwise we'd be doing 5 or 6 or however many I have of these little palettes in a row, and that would be boring and I'd be tired of them. So we're doing this one, we're doing this look. If you want to see this and my thoughts and the verdict on this guy, then keep on watching. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed, we can move on to the palette. For probably the millionth time, this is Ablaze from Smashbox. I like this palette. I really like this palette. I don't quite know what I want to do with it. I'm enjoying this color here and this color here. Let's see what happens. I'm going to start with this orangey shade, and this is Throwback, right? Yes. I got a Jeffree Star mirror in the Halloween box. What am I doing? So I'm putting this here on the outer like edge and through the crease. And then I'm going to take the like purpley red, which is Nirvana, and use that to deepen up the outer corner. So right in here. A little tiny bit in the crease, not a lot. I'm going to take the matte highlight shade. This one is Moccasin. No, is it? Left. No, this one is Relaxed, the matte shade. And I just want to like soften up this edge a little bit because it looks a little crazy. There we go, that's better. And then I'm going to take this orange shade, which is Torch, and I'm going to put that on the lid. Whoa. I forgot how pigmented this was. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into this like burnt orange matte shade, Throwback. I'm just going to bring that, oh hello truck, all the way across. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the Mystery Frost from the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. Okay, it's not as orange as I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to use this on my brow bone also. So this is the eyeshadow done. I don't like that this palette doesn't really have like a shimmer highlighty shade like inner corner brow bone highlight. But we'll discuss more of that later. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and put black liner, my tight liner, my waterline, and I'll be back. So here are the eyes done. I did put a little bit of black liquid liner on my lash line. I don't know what I was saying there. To make it look more like makeup and not like I have pink eye. So yeah, that's that. Let's finish the face. Contouring with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. As always, just giving myself a cheekbone. Fenty bronzer. Add some color back into the skin. I'm going to a doctor's appointment after this. Whatever. I'll be beautiful for it. For blush, I'm going to use this orange one from the Hourglass palette, and I'm like kind of scared, but we'll see what happens. This one is wait, how do they do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is, I can't read, Strobe Blush in Lucid Glow. Okay, I'm scared. Ooh, I picked up way too much. Oh, okay, that's not awful. I mean, it looks really orange in the camera, but it's not that orange in real life. This is my powder brush that I used to powder earlier, and I'm just trying to knock that back in a little bit. And then going back to the Mystery Frost from Jeffree Star. Cheekbone. Up and around the brow. Whoa. This blush already had some glow to it, and now I'm just extra glow. I love glowing. Ooh, wow. Nose. Cupid's bow. For lip, I'm going all out. It's not orange though, don't worry. So I'm going to use, this is the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick. I got this in my Halloween mystery box. This is Poinsettia. How are you supposed to say this? But I'm going to put this on. Okay, final step, spray your face. That was excessive. Okay, get this out so I can look like a person. Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's all coming together. So this is the finished look with... Oh, sorry, this is just not... There we go. This is the finished look with the Smashbox... Where'd it go? Cover Shot Ablaze palette. Let's talk about this. I love these Cover Shot palettes. I love them. But I don't... Oh, can you... There's the ceiling. I don't know if I love this one as much as I did when I first got it. I'm looking at it, and I'm like, alright, I can do this look a little deeper with this. And, yeah, that's, I'm so sad because, and I have a lot of warm palettes. Like warmed, this is my jam. I love this stuff. So, I definitely have more palettes like this. Whoops. That I feel like I don't need to hold on to this one. And yeah, it's small and it's travel friendly, but like, it's not doing, it doesn't bring me joy anymore like it used to. And you can't keep something if it doesn't bring you joy. That's Marie Kondoing 101. Does it bring you joy? I don't think this one brings me joy anymore. And I'm kind of sad to admit that, but it's the truth. So, Smashbox Ablaze Cover Shot palette. It's time to go, my friend. Sorry. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know. I'm sad. I've done 2 of these palette A to Z so far, and both of them I'm getting rid of them. And that's sad. Or the first one I got rid of. This one I'm getting rid of. I'm just sad, man. I mean, this is good because I'm using my palettes and thinking about them like logically and critically, and I'm not hoarding so much stuff anymore. So that's that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.